So we'll take the next example. A wagon weighing 20 kilonewton is attached to a wire rope and is moving at a speed of 5.4 kilometer per hour. The rope suddenly jams and wagon is brought to rest. If length of the rope is 50 meter and diameter is 36 mm, find maximum instantaneous stress and elongation of the rope. Take capital E is equal to 200 GPa. So W is 20 kilonewton, that is 20 into 1000 Newton. Velocity is 5.4 kilometer per hour. We have to convert this into meter per second. Kilometer is converted to meter by multiplying by 1000 and hour is converted to second by 3600 dividing by 3600 because hour is in denominator. So it is 1.5 meter per second. Now we know that the relation between weight and mass is W is equal to mg. So W upon g is equal to m. So this is the value of the mass. Length of the rope is given as 50 meter. Convert this meter into mm by multiplying by 10 raised to 3. Then diameter of the rope is 36 mm. Capital E is 200 into 10 raised to 3 MPa. MPa means Newton per mm square. So kinetic energy of the rope, which is moving with a velocity of 1.5 meter per second, is 1 half mv square. M we have seen. This is the value of the m, and velocity is 1.5. So we know that initially this value comes in Newton meter that we have seen in the previous example, multiplied by 10 raised to 3, so that we will convert this into Newton mm and call this as equation 1. Then strain energy that is stored because of the sudden stoppage of the rope will be sigma square upon 2e into volume. Sigma square is unknown to us. 2 into E is 200 into 10 raised to 3. Volume is pi by 4 into D square, that is pi by 4 into 36 square into 50,000. So value of U comes out to be 127.23 in terms of sigma max square, and call this as equation 2. Now we know that according to the law of conservation of energy, energy can neither be created nor destroyed, and it will get transferred from one form to another form. So kinetic energy will be equal to strain energy. Transfer this 127.23 term on this side, and then you will get the value of sigma max square, and take square root of this term, whatever the answer that will get. The answer of sigma max should be 134.26 MPa or Newton per mm square. And we know the elongation is sigma max into L upon E. Substitute the value of sigma max, that is 134.26. Length of the rope is 50,000. E is 200 into 10 raised to 3. So sigma max will be in Newton per mm square. L is in mm and capital E is in Newton per mm square. So delta L comes out to be 33.56 mm.